Hey everyone, it's Jordan.
And Katie.
With... No, I forgot.
Okay.
Hey everyone, it's Jordan.
And Katie.
With English with Thai UIC. Happy Motivation Monday.
Motivation Monday.
So Katie, I have a problem. I have a student who is really worried about sounding like a native speaker. What should I tell them?
That's a really good question. I think a lot of students feel that pressure. I would tell that student that they shouldn't worry about sounding like a native speaker. I don't think it's important or necessary. And instead, I would worry about whether they can communicate. Can people understand them? That's the most important thing.
Yeah, you're right. Accents are a beautiful thing, and everyone has an accent. We have an accent.
That's right. We both have accents. And then I always ask myself that question, what is a native speaker of English anyway?
Yeah, you're right. English is a global language. There are a variety of Englishes around the world and a variety of accents.
So true. And on this TikTok page, I know that we focus a lot on American English accents, right? With our pronunciation videos. But that doesn't mean that people have to sound like American native speakers to be good communicators in English. That's just one type of English. And a lot of times we focus on American pronunciation because a lot of our students are hearing American English and we want to help them understand what they're hearing.
Yeah, in the end, you should be proud of your accent. It's an important part of you and shows where you come from.
Word up, no cap.